Assalamu alaikum, this is me, Sana Hashmi Sohail, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Yeah, it's a welcome to all my new subscribers and a big hello shallow to my old subscribers as well. Old meaning those who just subscribed my channel a little before. So today I am at IKEA. Yeah, Sunday meaning IKEA these days. I am gonna show you selective items today which I'm planning to buy, and from this video you can have good ideas how to decorate your home. Then so once I'm through with purchasing, I will share the bill as well. Obviously bill I shall pay. I'll just show you how much amount did it cost me. You know why I am selecting IKEA for such big purchases? The reason being, here I see everything is available at quite a reasonable price. Secondly, durability of these products is great. आप कहीं पे भी review पढ़ लें तो you'll be surprised. IKEA is no doubt doing good. Shipping homes. So enjoy watching. I'll meet you again in another exciting vlog. Bye bye. Take care.